Do you wake up every morning with a burning desire to create a difference in the world around you?
Hi Krishnaji, just wondering, can I still be a successful leader even if I have a soft temperament?
Who said leadership is about aggression? It is a major misperception that media and society cultivates in us. You associate leadership with aggression because you believe leadership is position. Is it true? If you assume leadership is equal to position or is equal to authority over others, then your idea of leadership is very flawed. You may be a shy and soft leader like Gandhiji, or an outspoken and dynamic leader like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Gandhiji was shy, he was an introvert, but his connection to the unspeakable suffering of Indian people in slavery led him to be a leader. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was an extrovert and an outspoken individual. His love for an India free of division, free of poverty, free of oppression led him to be a leader. It does not matter what your personality is, but as an aspiring leader, you must understand that leadership is about the extent of impact you can create. Leadership is about how passionate you are about making a difference. Do you wake up every morning with a burning desire to create a difference in the world around you? But leadership is not for the faint hearted or the lukewarm. It is only for the passionate. You may want to create a difference to the earth's climate, like a Greta Thunberg. You may want to create an entire forest, like a Jadhav Payeng. You may want to stand up against child labor, like a Kailash Satyarthi. It does not matter what your personality is. To become a leader, a massive awakening of the creative potential of the brain is a must. An immense awakening of the passion potential of the heart is a must. I would also like to let you know that the axis of leadership is going to tilt rapidly in the coming 2 years. It will be like a revolution. It will be time for heart leadership. It will not just be sufficient that you possess a strong intellect. As tomorrow's leader, you will have to be intuitive too. It will not just be sufficient that you're aggressive and dashing. As tomorrow's leader, you will have to be a great listener too. It will not be just sufficient that you're strong on numbers. As tomorrow's leader, you will also have to learn to share your feelings. What I see common in all this is a state of connection. It does not matter whether you are an introvert or an extrovert. What is important is that you awaken to a beautiful state of connection. For only from connection is born purpose, is born listening, is born intuition and sharing of heart's feelings. It is to create this new generation leaders that Preethaji and I host the annual Youth Leadership Festival at Ekam and the Happy Hearts Fest for Youth to build entire villages. These are events that will open your heart to deeper connection and your mind to a greater intelligence. I would say that every young person who is aspiring to be a leader must participate in these life transforming events.